Get her.
Oh my gosh, she's so dirty.
She is a dirty girl.
Well, that's what happens when you don't wash her for about 2 weeks.
It's been like 2.5 months.
Oh my, look at the dirt just like streaming off of her. That's impressive. It's probably rust and not dirt.
There's probably a lot of rust in there.
I don't trust him with the hose. I do not trust Raw.
Yeah, don't trust the hose.
She's still dirty. It took y'all 4 minutes to wash this.
Victoria got the joke.
Do you know what?
Allie, do a better job. I'm paying you guys top dollar for this free child labor.
On the car.
No.
Good.
Clean it. Put it in the,
Hey!
in the bucket. In the bucket.
Yeah, get it.
That's pretty cool. Man, how are your mom and dad are pretty dope, but you guys are losers.
That's what I've been saying all along.
You're getting all the water in Dad's car. And that's okay, because it needs to be washed down. It's fine, Allie. Keep going. You're doing a great job, kiddo. Holy shit. Good job, Allie.
Okay.
There we go. Now she's a happy girl. Look at that. Aww. Okay, the car's clean. Brooke's sitting in there eagerly waiting because she is going to get to try to drive it for the first time. And had a whole lot of stuff done to the engine, which you guys haven't seen yet. But the original engine is back in here looking better than ever. And let's go.